How to add a custom liquid section in Shopify step by step. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can add a custom liquid. Now, what is a custom liquid? A custom liquid is basically a piece of code that you add into your Shopify store's design, okay? And it could be anything, it could be any type of CSS, it could be any type of image banner, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward, and we're going to be talking about it all in great detail. You don't necessarily need to be, proficient in code. You don't really need to have a good idea of how code works. You just need to follow these steps, and, you're pretty much set to go. So to add a custom liquid section in Shopify, here are the things that you're going to want to do, okay? So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that the theme that your Shopify has is, fully set it up. And, it's a theme that you're going to make sure you don't want to make too many changes in the future. Because I personally believe that whatever custom liquid you choose, it should stay prominent to one theme. You shouldn't change it around too much. Now, if you want to go ahead and add some certain custom liquid, you're going to come here right beside your customize. And we're going to click on these buttons. Now over here, it says edit code. Now this is where you're going to want to go to, okay? You're going to click on edit code. And once we click on edit code, it's going to open up these sections over here. So we have our layout, we have our templates, you have sections, and so much more. So now this basically depends on whichever section you want to add the custom liquid to, okay? So you can add a layout custom liquid, you can add a snippet custom liquid, and you can add so much more, okay? Now that basically depends on you. Now in the section, or as an asset, if you do want to add any type of custom liquid for yourself, what you're going to be doing is basically, let's say over here in sections, I want to add a custom liquid. I'm going to click on add a new section, okay? And obviously we're going to keep it a liquid, and I'm going to call this custom, okay? Now once we do that, we're going to click on done, and this is going to open up a code file for us. So basically what you can do is you can pick up these Shopify custom liquid codes, okay? So there's a lot of custom liquid codes that you can get, and they're pretty cool. They're pretty fun to use. You can display different article features, different announcement bars, etc., whatever you want. So let's say I want to go ahead and add this, let's go with product limit. Let's go ahead and add this code, okay? So basically what this does is it creates a for loop. It's a product limit that allows you to specify the maximum number of products rendered on a single collection page. So you can go ahead and copy this. Now once this is copied, you're going to come here. We're going to make sure to remove all these things in this code. And now you're going to click on paste, and there we go. So basically this is your product limiter code. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to place a pageinit tags around a for loop that loops through products within a collection, or you can replace limit with the number of products that you show per page on collection. And this is obviously Shopify's very own custom codes. You can actually get, different types of custom liquids on, different websites as well. So let's say I'm going to come over to Shopify liquid code examples. And as you can see, it's going to give us for the different code snippets. You can find them on GitHub, which is basically the perfect place. So here you can see we have something like calculate discount on products, custom pagination, display products on a collection. So, it's a pretty good thing to have. So let's say I'm going to copy this. Now, once we copy this, I'm going to come here, do the same, come here and paste it. Now, once you have saved it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, this basically saves the asset. So now this is called custom. This is just called custom, nothing other than that. So how do you actually add this custom liquid code into your Shopify's design? So to add it, what you're going to do is you're going to come here, click on customize. Okay, this basically takes you to your theme editor. And once you're in your theme editor, basically what you're going to do over here is you're going to click on add section, scroll fully down, and here you're going to see that you have different things. Okay, so you have collage, contact form, video, and all of this. So let's say I'm going to add this page. Okay, so this is the page that we custom added in our sections. Or you can go down here, add your very own custom liquid as well. So we have this liquid. you can add your liquid code right here. Okay. And as you can see, it starts showing your products. And you can do the same thing as well for different things. Like, let's say I want to go ahead and add a custom badge on products using product tag. You're going to come here, again, do the same, copy this. And once you copy this, you're going to come here, choose all of this, paste it. And this will basically, as you can see, change the custom code in front of you. Pretty basic and pretty straightforward. Okay. So, it's a pretty good feature to have for yourself. It's a pretty straightforward feature, and it gives you a good idea on basic working, and it gives you a good idea on basic regimen. So basically, this is your custom liquid. This is what custom liquid is basically all about. And if you want to add more custom liquids for yourself, this is obviously changing your custom liquid in lifetime. But to create new custom liquids as a template, again, do the same. Come over here, close all of this, the layout and everything. You're going to go into sections and, just to add something for yourself. And, there's a lot of liquids. Let's say I'm going to come here and I'm going to write a Shopify liquid code for, let's say, background animated. Okay. So this is basically liquid code for an animated background that you can basically add pretty easily. Okay. So let's say we have this liquid code over here. Okay. So they're going to basically allow you to go ahead and add things into your base CSS. So we have this code, right? Now, if you want an animated background, here it says go to edit code, asset, base CSS, and add this to the bottom. So let's say I want to add this liquid code straight into my assets. Okay, we're going to come here, go to base CSS, where you can add your very own liquid, go to the bottom, come here, fully to the bottom, we're going to paste what we have, and we can add any type of GIF that we want. Okay, that basically depends on us on how we want to approach it. So once we've added our code, again, do the same, go ahead and exit. Once you exit, go to customize, and once you click on customize, wait for things to load in. And once it's loaded in over here, to basically add a section or to add a feature for a background going on in the back, you can basically add anything like this over here. And once you've added this, as you can see, there's an animated background in the back. Okay. So just like this, you can manage different things regarding your, Shopify. And just like this, you can create custom liquids for yourself through the code section. And as you can see, you don't really need to be really prominent in code. You don't need to be a 9-to-5 coder to know how to do this. You can basically get your codes off of, online platforms on Shopify. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward to get these things for yourself. So yeah. That is basically how easy and how simple and straightforward it is to go ahead and manage your Shopify, manage your liquid codes and customly add them into your store's, you could say, coding regimens. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.